Let's take a look at this problem. The median age at first marriage from 1960 to 2006 is given in the following table. Find the 5-number summary, construct a box plot, and describe the distribution for males. Find the 5-number summary, construct a box plot, and describe the distribution for females. Well, let's go ahead and put our data in first. Okay, so I'm going to go to Stat, do Enter on Edit, clear my list. Now I'm going to put the males in L1, and I'll put the females in L2. So 22.8, 23.2, 24.7, 26.1, 26.5, 26.7, 26.9, 27.1, 26.8, 26.7, 26.9, 26.8, 26.9, 26.9, 27.1, 27, and 27.5. I'm going to double check these. 27.1, 26.9, 26.9, 26.8, 26.9, 26.7, 26.8, 27.1, 26.9. Actually, mimic this. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 26.7, 26.5, 26.1, 24.7, 23.2, 22.8. Okay. I'm going to write her over to L2, and I'll put my female data values in here. So 20.3, 20.8, 22, 23.9, 24.5, 24.5, 24.5, 24.8, 25, 25, 25.1, 25.1, 25.1, 25.3, 25.3, 25.5, 25.9. Let it get caught up. So I didn't press enter on that. Okay, there we go. Well, they both have the same count, so that's good. 25.5, 25.3, 25.3, 25.1, 25.1, 25.1, 25, 25, 24.8, 24.5, 24.5, 24.5, 23.9, 22, 28.8. Okay, I know it's not exciting. Second mode to exit out. Okay, so remember now what we have. We have our males in L1, females in L2. Well, they're asking us to find a 5-number summary. So let's do that first for the males. I'll press my stat button, right over to calc, enter on one of our stats. And even though it defaults to it, I'm going to specifically show you it. I'm going to do a second one for choosing L1. And then enter. And then I'm a down arrow. And let's see. So for our 5-number summary, we'll have 22.8. We'll have 26.3. 26.8, 26.95, and 27.5. While we're at it, let's go ahead and find a 5-number summary for the females. So I'm going to do a stat, right arrow to calc, and I'll choose one of our stats, and then I'll put in second 2. And that'll go through our data in L2. Now I'll do a down arrow until I get to the second page. And my 5-number summary here is 20.3, 24.2, 25, 25.2, and 25.9. Second thing they're asking for is construct a box plot. Now, I'm going to show it on a calculator here in a second, but it looks like our largest value might be 28. There's 28, and smallest value is 22. Actually, I got a better way of doing this. Okay, come over here. Let me put 22 here. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28. Okay, 22.8. Come here, put a vertical line. 27.5. Those represent our min and max. 26.3. 26.95. Okay, my eyes got off. 26.3, okay, that one. 26.8. Say that one. And 26.95, as close as I'm going to get it. Right there. Okay, and then connect those and draw lines over to my larger vertical lines. And that'd be my box plot. And this is obviously, looks like all the data is over here on the right side, so this is skewed left. Okay, so for our box plot here, looks like it starts at 20 and goes up to 26. So I got 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. Now 20.3, yeah, maybe about right there. 25.9, right there. 24.2, right there. 25, right there. And 25.2, right there. And then I'll draw my lines, connecting everything. And this is also skewed left. Okay, now if I did those on the calculator, if I go to y equals, make sure I don't have anything in here, which I do, so I'll press clear that out. Then I'll do second y equals, plot 1, I'll do enter on that. I want to choose on, so my flashing cursor is on, so I'll press enter one time. Then I'll down arrow to the type, and I want to right arrow until I get to the one that looks like a box plot, which looks like the 5th one. And press enter on it. Now I want this to be L1, so that's fine. Now if I do zoom and then 9, if I exit out on my calculator, now if I do zoom 9, that gives us our first box plot, which is as close I can get with this representation. Now for our second one, I could do a second y equals, go back and plot 1, and come down where it says L1 and change this to L2. So I'll do second 2, and now I should say L2. And now if I exit out, second mode, and do zoom 9, you'll get your new box plot, which looks kind of the same, but it's the second one we got here. Now if I do a second y equals, and do enter and plot 1, and change this back to L1, so do second 1. Now if I exit out, second mode, go back in, second y equals, down arrow to 2, enter on it, choose on, then down arrow to type, right arrow until I get the box plot graph, which is the fifth one. Press enter, down arrow, and then put 2 here, so second 2. Now, if I exit out, so I do second mode, and I do zoom 9, then you can see them on the same axis. I don't know if it's beneficial or not. I mean, I guess you can see it shifted over a little bit. You may find it beneficial to kind of have them represented as the same starting point, even though the value changes on the bottom. But that's how you would display both of those on the same graph. Now to shut those off, if you do second y equals, you can go to plot 2, press enter on it, and then you just simply let right arrow over, put your flashing cursor on off, and press enter. Second mode, exit out, second y equals, go back in, do enter on plot 1, and then right arrow to off and press enter, and then exit out. And that's now shut those off. But that's how you get the box plot on the graphing calculator.